మూవింగ్ ఆన్, అవార్డ్ ఫర్ ద బెస్ట్ యాక్టర్ క్రిటిక్స్ తెలుగు. మరి ఈ అవార్డుని ఇవ్వడానికి స్టేజ్ మీదకి సాధనంగా ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాను హరీష్ శంకర్ గారిని, అలాంగ్ విత్ వివేక్ కృష్ణనాని, ప్రెసిడెంట్ అండ్ CEO ఆఫ్ ఫిల్మ్స్ డివిజన్ ఇన్ 10 మీడియా. Welcome, sir. And the award for best actor in a leading role, critic Telugu, goes to.
So the best actor in leading role, critics, is none other than the super funny, super witty, super spontaneous, other than Naveen Polishetty for Jati Ratnalu.
Congratulations to Naveen Polishetty for the movie Jati Ratnalu.
బెంగళూరు ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ? నాకు కన్నడ పెద్దగా రాదు, బట్ కొంచెం కొంచెం ట్రై చేస్తాను. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತು. KGF ಗೊತ್ತು. Ever since I landed in Bengaluru, I'm in KGF mode. Somebody asked me, why does it take so long to go from airport to hotel in Bengaluru? I'm like, traffic. I don't like. I avoid. But traffic likes me. Before I say anything about this award, first of all, last 1 hour, I've been a fan trying to take a selfie with all these people. But because I got nominated in the Best Actor Award, I had to act really cool and dignified. So I just want to take this moment to first, and please join me in applauding this moment. ఏమన్నా అన్నారా?
స్టార్టింగ్లో నువ్వు విజయ్ దేవరకొండ చేసిన చిలిపి పనులు ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
అంటే మీరు మంచి ఫ్రెండ్స్ అని విన్నాను.
మీరు మంచి ఫ్రెండ్స్ అని విన్నాను.
అలా బిగినింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద కెరియర్ లో
ఈ మధ్య మాకు పడట్లేదు, లేడు కదా వాడు. No, I'll come to that. I just wanted to address, there's a lot of people waiting as well. So, I mean, I never dreamt I would be holding a Best Actor award one day. That's a big lie. That's the only dream I've always had all my life. నేను థర్డ్ క్లాస్ నుంచి యాక్టర్ అవుదామని స్కూల్లో ఒక చిన్న నాటకం వేశాను. అప్పటి నుంచి నాకు ఈ యాక్టర్ అవుదామని ఒక పిచ్చి ఉండేది. కానీ మై పేరెంట్స్, దేర్ రియాలిటీ అండ్ మా ఆర్థికంగా their situation was so bad that I never had the courage to go and tell my parents, who are every day fighting on how they're going to pay for our school fees, who are every day making hundreds of sacrifices, thinking, okay, they have to get a loan for my brother's college. I did not have the courage to go and tell my parents that, you know what, I want to be a cinema hero. I want to be an actor. That's not something we do in middle class families. In middle class families, when we have a dream, we kill it right there. And that's what my parents did. They killed their dreams so they could put food on the table for all of us. And I thought that's what we as the next generation also should do. But somehow, somewhere, when I saw all these people, all these artists that came before me, 3 of them are sitting here right now. One I call Mr. Sukumar Garu, my Guru Garu. And of course, Bunny Garu, Allu Arjun Garu. They made a film called Arya when I was in school. Arya fans? Arya, yes. సో ఆ సినిమా చూసి నేను బయటకు వచ్చి, అమ్మ నాన్న దగ్గర డబ్బులు లేకపోతే పర్లేదు, అయినా నేను యాక్టర్ అవుతాను అని ఫిక్స్ అయి బయటకు వచ్చాను. అలా అంత రేంజ్లో నన్ను ఇన్స్పైర్ చేసిన సినిమా, అంత రేంజ్లో నన్ను ఇన్స్పైర్ చేసిన పర్ఫార్మెన్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ cinema does, it makes you forget your poverty. It makes you forget your reality. You also look at the big screen and think, wow, why can't I be a part of that world? And that's where my dream started to want to be an actor. And today we are in Bangalore, so I want to share with you. Bangalore is when years ago in JP Nagar, Rangashankara Theatre, Rangashankara. Yes, that's where I started as a theatre actor. After doing my engineering, I came here and I was in JP Nagar and Arunati ma'am, she started this beautiful place and I used to do backstage at that theatre. And we did a play there, and after 4 months, my father called me and he said, so you want to be an actor? I don't mind if you want to be an actor as long as you can make money. I said, yes, I'm getting paid for my theatre play that I'm doing. I went to the next day to the performance people and I said, I want my paycheck. And they cut me a paycheck of 750 rupees. And I didn't know that there was such less money in theatre. So I went and showed that to my father and he was heartbroken. అసలు ఆయన ఆ రోజు అసలు 750 రూపీస్ ఏంట్రా నిన్ను ఎన్ఐటీలో ఇంజనీరింగ్ చదివించి లండన్లో జాబ్ చేస్తే 750 రూపీస్ పేచెక్ తీసుకొని హౌ డూ యూ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ అస్ టు సపోర్ట్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్స్ సో దాట్స్ వేర్ ఇన్ దిస్ వెరీ బెంగళూరు మై థియేటర్ జర్నీ స్టార్టెడ్ అండ్ టుడే ఆఫ్టర్ years and years later I'm standing in front of you holding the best actor award. So the reason I'm sharing this with you is if you have a dream and if you have the love for it, just keep working. Just keep doing it. Just keep enjoying it. There will be a lot of hungry days and sleepless nights. There will be a lot of situations where you have to look for hope in a hopeless situation. It is very hard. To look for hope in a hopeless situation is very hard. But if you do it consistently and hardly, someday you will be sitting with your favorite actors. Someday you will be sitting with the very people that you admired. Someday you will touch Mr. Kamal Hassan's feet and within half an hour you will get a Best Actor award. And Ranveer, I have to say, you are one of my, मैं क्या बोलूँ अब, बेंगलुरु के दामाद हो आप, अब आपको क्या बोलूँ यहाँ पे मैं. So keep at it and thank you so much. I have to thank a few people for, because నేను ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టు ఇదేదో నేను అనుకోలేదు కల కనలేదు అన్న స్టోరీ కాదు ఇది. ఎప్పుడో చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కల కంటానే ఉన్నాను, కానీ ఆ కళ నిజం కావడానికి చాలామంది దాంట్లో పార్ట్ ప్లే చేశారు. For dreams to come true, you yourself cannot achieve anything. There is a lot of people that join on this journey, and some of those people I would like to thank. First and foremost is Nag Ashwin and Swapna and Priyanka Dutt, who trusted me and gave me this film, Jati Ratnalu. Because a lot of producers that I used to meet when I was auditioning would tell me the same thing, कि यार तो actor अच्छा है, but यार पैसे लगाना मुश्किल है, because filmmaking is a business. You need to have a certain market, you need to have, and I totally understand, and I hold no ill feelings towards any of those producers, because it is a business. But her business mein, there is a player who has to put some money and take a risk, and these are the people that took that risk on me. So I have to really thank all three of them for giving, not just me, all the people in our film are similar people with similar backgrounds and similar dreams. Everybody in Jati Ratnalu, our director Anudeep, Faria, I don't know the leading lady of the film, I don't know if she's sitting here. We are just a bunch of kids from normal average families with a dream to be working in the same profession, in the same industry that we saw our favorite stars in. And today, thanks to Nag Ashwin and Priyanka and Swapna and people like that, I have to say, from within the industry, my first cinema, Agent Sai Cinema Satre, by the way, I have to thank Saima because Agent Sai Cinema Satre kuda vallu best actor lo nominate chesaru, so they've been constantly encouraging. Agent Sai Cinema Satre appudu maaku cinema release vastundo ledo ani tension padtunna time lo we knew nobody in the industry, and there was one moment when my director called me and said, have you checked the Twitter? I said, what? He said, Allu Arjun garu has tweeted about our film. And I said, what? And we didn't even know him. and he tweeted about our film, and there were so many people from within the film industry who came forward to tweet about our film from the audience. We had zero marketing budget. I always tell people, Naveen, what is the marketing budget of your film? Ask the audience, because they do the marketing for our films. They are the ones who spread the word of mouth. They are the ones who carry the word of mouth, who tweet about it. So thank you so much, Bunny Garu. I don't know if I ever got a chance to tell you. అంటే ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. నేను నాకు బన్నీ గారి మీద నా యాక్టర్ అవ్వాలన్న జర్నీ స్టోరీలో చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతే I think it will be all night. So thank you so much. And most importantly, I would like to thank the audience, తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా మీరు ఎక్కడున్నా కూడా you made this boy's dream come true. Thank you so much. Wherever you guys are, each and every family, ప్రతి ఇంట్లో ఒక అనుదీప్ ఉంటాడు, ప్రతి ఇంట్లో ఒక ఫార్యా ఉంటుంది, ప్రతి ఇంట్లో ఒక నవీన్ ఉంటాడు. మా కళలు మీరు ఎలా నిజం చేశారో మీ అందరి కళలు కూడా నిజం కావాలని నేను కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సైమా, విష్ణు గారు అండ్ బృందా గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. దిస్ ఇస్ every year whenever I do a performance they nominate me, and this time I didn't know, but thank you so much for this award. This means a lot.